Hello everyone. Welcome to the today's live session. I'm really glad to you guys are joining from different part of the world. So today we want to talk about the something extremely important like geopolitics, what's happening in the world and how it's directly affecting in the financial market, also crypto market. So a lot of people are confused right now. So they're asking why gold is moving like that, why crypto is so volatile, why the dollar is acting weird. So today we're gonna break everything down step by step uh, in a very simple way. So in this live streaming, I don't wanna just give you the news update. So I wanna help you to understand the logic behind the moves basically, because you understand the logic, trading becomes much easier. So right now the global market is not moving on technicals only. So right now the global market is moving a fair uncertainty. So there is have interest rate decision is coming, geopolitical issue, political pressure all over the world. So and that's why today's session is very important for beginner or experienced trader, whether you are trading in gold, forex, crypto, indices, in stocks market. So it's very important for everyone. So we are gonna talk about our today's topics. I wanna share with you what's really happening globally and how big money is moving and positioning, why volatility is increasing in the right way. So most importantly, how retail traders should protect capital. This is the most important part. So how retail trader can protect capital, because protecting the capital is the first, so profit is later. So also I want to make this session interactive way. So like every time I'm sharing with you, so if you have any questions and if you have any suggestion, drop them in the chat box. So we have the question and answer session end of the live session. So that time we wanna give you the proper answer, and if you have any suggestion about the specific any instrument like gold, like meme coins, you are interested to learn, or you want just want more depth about that instruments, like you are investor or you are a day trader. So what your requirement, based on your requirement or expectation, you can put the comment in the comment box. So so that is the things. So we are going to start our today's live trading session, and by end of the live, so you are gonna have a clear picture of this where the market stands and what risks are ahead, right? How to trade and how to control the emotion, because controlling emotion is the most important part. So stay with me till the end. So because the last part of this live is where real value is, let's get started, right? So okay guys, so who are watching in the TikTok and who are watching in this live streaming of YouTube, so every time I'm requesting you to people to get the more information, you should subscribe the YouTube channel and you should follow the our TikTok, and if you wanna get this everyday market analysis information, so you can join our Telegram community. So how you can join Telegram community who are watching in TikTok? So we have TikTok bio. Go to the TikTok bio and you can find this uh, link, Telegram link. So this is the L Bank Wealth community. So this community you can join there, and you can find analysis. So but this is a new group, that's why we are updating we're trying to update more. So if you are really interested to trade, you are interested to learn, to get the proper information, so definitely you should join Telegram community first. And who are watching in this YouTube channel, so you can find on the screen, as you can see here, there is have QR code, so you can scan the QR code or the Telegram community QR code and join our community. So if you click on that link, so you can find some information. The gold, today morning I posted the gold buying was at 4390 to 4395, and stop loss was 88 4388. So only $2-3 stop loss comparatively you can see. So and almost 450 pips or 500 pips to end up. So you can get, so if you are in a group, so you'll get this opportunity. Already you missed the opportunity. So lots of meme coins market update we have shared also. So you can go to the Telegram community and can find. So most of the, what is this? Okay, let me show you in on live. Okay, so you see today L Bank Oil community. See, this is the Telegram channel. You can see the gold I have shared. So who have joined already? Maybe he got the opportunity, and who are till now not joining. See, you can see the gold buying John. So I posted in that morning. So you can see 4390 and SL only 4388. So 90295 or 96, and take profit 4420, so and 4450. So yeah, we got this 500 pips almost, correct. So we missed this opportunity. So we are posting every day, see the market update, our topics of the market, and we posted in meme coins. So many things over there. So who are in YouTube, you can see, I can show you. Okay, yeah, so this is our Telegram community. So every day we are posting here. So don't miss the opportunity, join our Telegram community. So who are watching in TikTok, so click on the link. Sorry, you can find the link on bio. So you can click on the link and you can join. So okay, now, and also I'm requesting you to everyone share this live. So many people they can watch, because we are talking about very insightful and educative information. We are talking about market update. We are talking about geopolitics. We are talking about the Fed interest rate decision. We are talking about crypto market. So many information. Maybe if you share your friends or your well wisher, they can watch and they can learn something from this video. So please share this live, and don't forget to like and comment. So if who are watching, so already so many people I think joined. So guys, if you have any question, you can join. Yeah, put your comment on the chat box. So okay, now ongoing global tension and conflict zone, right? And sanctions, so many sanctions, US government, trade restrictions, correct, supply chain risks, oil, energy, inflation pressure. So can you imagine, so many things is happening in this world right now. So why institutional move money during uncertainty, right? So because the gold is the safe haven asset. So most of the investor and big investor, market maker, institute, so they are in not even that, government also involved, like they are stocking the gold also. So when geopolitical hits up, so smart money does not gamble, it protects. So okay, so that time they are trying to keep their money on safe zone. So that's why gold is called the safe haven asset. So ongoing, what is the global tension is ongoing, right? So maybe everyone knows. So through the social media, so Venezuela president kidnapped by the US government, and now he is in USA. So maybe he's in prison. So we don't know what is happening, right? So it's very much intention all over the world. So the big big noise in that time. So that's why when today market opened, so market is opened the gap up the gold, right? So you can see this sanction part is coming, trade restrictions, so supply chain risks. So supply chain risks, maybe you know, right? This is the Iran, from Iran. They have this lots of opportunity. They can close that water transportation because they have this option. So this is the one, maybe supply chain can be rigged. So then what will be happen? So oil, energy, the price can be increased. So because I saw oil price also in the monthly support area. So you can see, as you can see here, I can show you, this is the oil price. So if I want to show you in the higher time frame, weekly time frame, this is the monthly support area, you can see here. So this is the monthly support area. This is the energy is how in the difficult zone. So you can see, so if there is happen anything, so it can pump up. So who are the investor, long-term investor? So they can get this opportunity to, they can hold for long-term investment, as you can see here. So once the breakout will come, so it will pump. So how many time? 2, 3, 4 time is rejected. This is the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, it is showing example. Okay, let me show you one way. Okay, so basically this is the very critical zone in this support, but uh, another support is here in the weekly time frame. So how we can expect it will drop on only $30? Is it possible? Because there is have so many geopolitical intention is there. Otherwise, yeah, this is also Bollinger Band is showing also is the overbought area. So as you can see here, this is very good buying zone. So if we think say, okay, I want to invest, right? So I want to invest, that means so you can do layer investment plan. Say for example, okay, I am buying here until price reach there. So what's gonna you can do? So you can put in the layer position, right? So like that. So okay, if price dropping is there, so if you are investor for long term, 1 year, 2 years, 6 months, so what's gonna you can do? So okay, price dropping, so again you can buy. So buy here, so next buy again. Maybe it will go like this to retest it. So you can buy in the second layer, so third layer. So there is a lots of opportunity you can buy. Then you can hold. So it will take the liquidity because the all liquidity is here, as you can see here. So liquidity is here, liquidity is here. So you can, so it will take the liquidity. So institutional buyer who are the involved, so then after that it will pump like this way. So who are investors, so they can take this opportunity in the oil, because right now geopolitical uncertainty, so oil energy is very like, you can, as you can see, when Russia and Ukraine started, so that time how it moved, right? So everyone we know these things. So you can see here, right? Like here. So as you can see here, so our price was there. So like same. So if anything happened in USA, another so many country are involving right now. So so this is the best position to buy in long term also. So if you want to buy in long term, don't do the short term trade right now, because it's very critical zone is right now. So if you want to buy here, so you can buy layer by layer. It's much better. So okay, if price drops, so you can buy again. So this is called dollar cost average. So your price will be average. So I'm showing this way. So this is the way you can buy. So once this is, and 72 is the strong resistance area, 72. So until 72, it can be the first take profit. So once this 72 will be breakout. Okay, so you can see here one breakout. So if there is a bullish pressure, so then we can see here in the 1-2 candle again. So there is rejection is from the downside. So buyer can involve more. So maybe it will push until the here, or maybe this area again. So how many pips and how much profit we can generate So maybe it will take 1 year, maybe it will take 6 months. So who have planned to long-term investment, so only they can buy for the long term in the US oil, I mean crude oil, I'm talking about the crude oil. So these are the opportunity so we have. So this is the trade restriction and oil supply chain risks. If supply chain risks is there, so that means the oil price can increase is a very faster way. So and why also institutional buyer they can involve in that oil price as well. So geopolitical heads up. So smart money always, I am telling you, so smart money always does not do gambling. So they try to protect their capital. So what they will do? So they will invest in oil. They can invest in the gold for long term investment. So okay, now let's talk about some market update, crypto market update for today. So what's gonna happen today in the market? So like Coinbase suspend the peso related services in Argentina just 1 year after launch. This is the hot topics of today. And SEC only a Democrat Caroline and Tensue step down, board turns fully Republican. And Avi Labs plan to ease government's issue through non-protocol things. So, and Turkmenistan officially approves the crypto mining and trading under new regulation. So this is the very good news for crypto industry. This is the very fundamental news. And there is a Bitmain stock jump 14%. So there is another hot news also. So these types of lots of news we are posting in our Telegram channel. So best thing you have to do, better to join the Telegram community. You no need to wait for the live only. So when I will come in the live, so you no need to wait. So because maybe you will miss some opportunities. So my request to join the Telegram community, so then you will get more update. So you have no need to wait for the live session, because already I showed the real example what I have shared in the group. So yeah. So who are watching, again I'm telling, if you face any difficulties to join in the Telegram, so a Telegram link in the bio, so you can check, you can click on that link. So if it's like not showing, you cannot join, facing some difficulties, like not coming the link, so you can comment, I am trying to join, so I'm not finding or something. So then we can solve it immediately. So let's talk about today's gold as a safe haven asset, because we want to share today so many topics. This is the already I showed you, you can put screenshot also. This is the oil. This is the US oil. And now we want to talk about this gold, safe haven asset as a gold. So okay, let's see. So US Eastern versus the risk currencies, right? So stock market volatility and bond interest rate expectation. So many things involved is there. So you see, as you can see here, this is the daily time frame. So daily time frame, what we discussed that the last live session we have discussed. See, okay, this is our very key zone, 4,400 and 4,300. It was our very key zone. So either it should break or either otherwise it will go up. Okay, so these two zone I have shared, right, here to here. So now this daily candle is going up. This is if this candle close like that. If today's candle close above 4,400 and a bullish engulfing candle, this is called bullish engulfing, as you can see here. So this is very good thing. So you can see here how I showed you. So it will go like this way. It will go up. And also there is a geopolitical issue, hot, everything is hot. So safe haven as a safe haven asset gold, so we can So market also opened today the gap up. So let's see in the 1 hour time frame. We can see now 1 hour time frame we cannot see. Okay, maybe 15 minutes we can see gap up. No, 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 no. Also, yes, yeah, 5 minutes. It's open gap up basically. So market was here. So instant it gap up market. So look, now let's see the 4 hour. So 4 hour candle already close. Already it has closed above this support resistance level. So already closed above this resistance. So there is have two resistance basically. So from here, this side you can see here. This is the one resistance it created, and after that another resistance is here. This is the resistance of this candle. So okay, let's move to the line chart. So then you can understand what's gonna happen. So okay, remove this one. So okay, let's remove this all the things. We should make it clear properly. Yeah, we can keep it and remove this one. Yeah. So you can see here. So there is a one resistance is there, and this is the very critical zone. It was very critical zone. How much price? 95. So this is the one critical zone and this 8 critical zone. So now this 8 has broken. So 8 to 95. So now this way, this one, let me show you. Yeah, this one. So okay, now let's go the candle chart. Now you can see. So now it is the actually this is the buying zone, but right now is for time already we bought here. I told you, right? So morning we showed this when this candle close above here, so we put buy here 96, and our stop loss was only 88. So 96 to 90 was buying zone and 88 was the stop loss, and so still is going up. So our first TP already hit, and second TP will be 4461. Then it's gonna go up again more like this area, or it can make a new higher high again. So it can make a new higher high again. So now, as you can see, this is the normally bearish trend. If we follow the bearish trend information, so what is this bearish trend? It will make a lower low, so lower high, it should make a lower high here. So I mean here this is the 60 65. It can go down again, so we can get this selling opportunity. So now coming to the point, so if it's drop here again, so then this is called the breakout trading. I don't know who are here, the beginner or who are the trader, I don't know. So we can do one thing. So if drop here, so maybe it will go for retesting here, then again, so again it will come back here, then it will make here new low. Then we can understand, okay, maybe this is going down, but very less probability because of geopolitical intention. So now it is going up. So still now, and this is the resistance also, trend line trend line support. So trend line support, what is expecting already, this is the very huge bullish candle, and what's gonna happen? So this is the buying zone. 4408 is the buying zone. If you wanna buy here 4408, your stop loss will be 98 or 97 again. So let's move to, I wanna show you. So okay, so who are buying here, because two things is here. So this is the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, if I try to draw, this is okay, this one. So okay, now this is the resistance, but there is another resistance is support is here, 4371. But this H4 candle is close, is a very strong and very bullish, and it has make a huge support here. So now it's little bit risky basically, but we can trade here like this way. So we can buying this, getting this opportunity to buy here. So buy means like 90. Okay, this one by how much? 4406, or this is the last price. So and I can put my stop loss here 98. So not even here. So I can should move this one because it's making big thing. So okay, put here. So now our stop loss will be maximum 95 or 90. 90. Okay, if I buy 95 like this, so a 95 is stop loss. So how many stop loss? So 100 pips stop loss. So 100 pips stop loss, and I can put the take profit. This is the next resistance is here. So 65. So that means 600 pips. But if I think okay, no, I don't want to go the 600 pips. Okay, 1:3, 1:4 or 5. So I can put the layer buying, and once is 1:3 done. So this is the 1:3. I think yes, 1:3, 100 pips risk and 300 pips reward. So what we can do, so if I see the any bullish confirmation after here, so then I can do one thing here. So then I can close the half position, and I can hold the half position. I move the SL here. Yes, but problem is that already I showed again and again. So there is half. This is the, you see here. So now this is the, it is making a channel, yeah, like this. You can see, yeah, so little bit critical, but this is the resistant, this one is the resistant. But resistant, how it can, so if close, you can see here, so 4405, so 4405 break means it should break down like this way. If we see this candle break down, so that means our stop loss hit. Okay, khalas, so we have to close that trade. There is no, then we can go for the sell. When sell, it should make a new low. So this is the channel, right? So this is the channel. So if it's make a new low, so retesting here, we should get an bearish candle, bearish confirmation is there, then we can get the selling opportunity. This is the way. But if you want to do scalping, this is the different thing. But maybe let's go in the 15 minutes time frame. It is making a reversal pattern, right? So if reversal pattern is coming, so then what gonna happen? Because this is the another support area, this is the support, so you can get this buying opportunities here. So right now is a little bit risky because there is no good confirmation bullish. So even the S4 candle also there is no confirmation, so good confirmation. So as you can see here, so if I want to check from here to here, yeah, it's so much down. So resistance and support is so much down. If 50%, almost I showed you, right? This is the 50% Fibonacci. So if you want to take in 50% Fibonacci, this is the 4368, 465. It is the buying zone, and definitely 56. Yeah. So yes, but as you can see here, this is the very strong support. So we have to take risks definitely. So for you can take 100 pips risks based on your risk management. You can trade if you want to, because also this candle is very strong in 2 hours time frame. Also this candle is very strong. So this is the engulfing. So it's very difficult buy and sell both. So already we made a good profit, so you can do this scalping also finish. So in 3 hours time frame also there is very critical zone. So right now uh, I am not suggesting to buy for holding long term. I'm not suggesting for long term buying. Yes, 100 pips, because there is a 4 hour time frame still is remaining. So we don't know, maybe it can give the bullish pressure. So until here, this one, so until this zone, so we have to take risks. 100 pips, 100 pips is the stop loss. So yes, H4, based on H4 candle, we can hold the trade, because there is another 20 resistance. It had breakout also. Okay, let me check 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame. One, two, three. This here. Yeah, so we have to wait a good reversal candle. So based on reversal candle, we can take this buying opportunity. So we have to wait for the reversal any candle. Otherwise, it's very difficult to. Hmm. This is 30 minutes and 1 hour time frame. Okay. 1 hour time frame. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So if you want, you can take risks and 100 pips and 100, 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3. If you don't want to hold, it's okay, no problem. You can uh, take the trade and you can leave the market. But there is no good confirmation for buying long term. So we can buy after breakout if we see any bullish candle. So after breakout this 120. So if we see there is a very huge bullish candle, then after breakout here in the long lower time frame like 30 minutes or 15 minutes. So after breakout this 24 to 20 like this way. So okay, let me show you like breakout. So then we can get the buying opportunity. Otherwise, it's little bit risky trade. Yeah, it can drop. So after breakout this area, so you can get buying opportunity. So if you are breakout trader, so maybe you understand, able to understand. If you want to do scalping, so scalp here. So you can do scalp based on this support, based on this support area, this support area. You can do buy and sell, you can do buy and sell, you can do buy and sell. So this area you can do. So okay, uh, so this is goal today, and again I am telling you the based on our daily time frame. So daily time frame what is showing. So this candle is a huge candle. So this candle should close. This candle should close above this is resistant area. So then after that we can tomorrow maybe we can get the huge buying opportunity. So we have to wait for that confirmation who wants to take long term trade, because already 400 500 pips here already we got this opportunity at morning. Okay. So as you can see on the chart, so gold now is getting the bullish pressure. So you see it is still remaining, so maybe it's consolidating. So this is waiting for the uh, opening US session open, but New York session, because and also we have today the some fundamental news at 7 p.m. ISM manufacturing PMI. So we have to wait until open the New York session. There is some consolidating market right now in 4420 and 4405 to 06. So gold is not moving because technical patterns only. So already technical pattern have finished. So gold is moving because of uncertainty. So when geopolitical, everyone who are the beginners, so they are not aware of these things. So beginner geopolitical tension increases and investor don't wanna take unnecessary risk. But as a safe haven asset, so it still is the higher price of gold. That's why uh, it's going up, but very slowly. It's not moving too much as we expected, based on the US and Venezuela issues is there. So because of another thing, we are seeing this central bank accumulating the gold and investor hedging against the inflation also. So and traders positioning ahead of uncertainty. So many issues are involved here. It is not only on the geopolitical things and the US dollar index. So this tell us only one thing for now. So gold is not the speculative trade is right now. So now we can do trade in the day trading, intraday trading, and scalping. So from morning, so who sold in the after opening the US session like 435, so they made also is a good profit, almost like 250 to 300 pips. So that is the things we are seeing in this chart right now. So if real market actually real sorry it's real interested if they are cutting again 0 point 25 basis point or no. Also this is the also is a big things is upcoming, and global risks also is remaining. So gold is gonna stay supported, pull back on that area. So that's why are being bought. So not gold is selling everyone. So there is two things is involving. So that's why today is the huge pressure, buying pressure on the gold. So actually, this uh, as you can see on the chart, as a parallel channel I have drawn. So this is gold is not moving on the technical and supporting level, because this is the supporting area, and also this is a news based trading right now. So news based movement. So news based means like some technical also is there, but something is happening like geopolitical news based, some like interest rate decision news base, and some US dollar, like we have some fundamental news of the economy, USA economy. So four things are involving in right now. And also we should talk about some US dollar index, because today is the beginning of the week. We should talk about the US index. So maybe last week you see last week we have done this analysis. You see, I showed you. Okay, let me remove this one first, because I showed you if this support, the daily candle close in a bullish and close above this resistance area, so it should go up. Correct. So let me check in the weekly time frame also. I have showed and I have explained that this weekly candle close above this support area. So it was the best option was there. So also last Friday, so it has bullish. So as you can see, this is the bullish candle. So this once break out this candle area. So it went up. So now I can remove this red one. So now you can see. So now the price is here in the resistance area. So resistance means this one is the now resistance. Okay. So now this is the resistance daily time frame resistance. Now we should move the H4 candle. You can see the H4 candle, very less seller is there also. Let's see. Okay, right. So yesterday I was expecting so a break here, so it should go here because there is another H4 reason is there. So as you can see, it's went down in the same way this candle. This candle is called, this is the shakeout bar. So after shakeout bar, it gap up. So today is the gap up in the lower time frame. So based on our week, sorry, uh, downtrend pattern, right? So downtrend formula. So what is our downtrend formula? Also, that day I showed you, right? So this is our downtrend formula, correct? So now what can be happen? So if the price is break here, so then it will go up this area. So after that, this is the support area. So today is the most important part. So this today's price should break like this. So this is the resistance support area. So now if we see the today's candle is closing, whatever is happening, this is the resistance area, it's okay, no problem. But it should move this way, it should move this way. So this is the resistance. So this resistance, the previous high also is there. So this previous high should break first, like this one is like this one. So break first, then it will come down. So this is the pullback, right? So pullback opportunity, then it will go up, correct? So there is a pullback opportunity. But if there is does not have any pullback, because you see the red candle, this is the doji form, it has formed doji and red doji. So that you can see, and if we see the 30 minutes, it's a bullish candle. So what's gonna happen? So this way it can go up, like it will come down. So maybe it will go this way, maybe, yeah, like that. So if we see any bullish confirmation over there, so like it's a little bit cool down, so maybe it will go up like this way. So it should break out this one should break out. As you can see, it retested that area. See, the rejection is there. So many historical data over there. You see here, historical data, what is showing. So rejection, so many rejection is here. So that's why it's the most important breakout. So this is the resistance support, resistance support. So this candle should close above here, and after breakout, so it is making a new high. So this is the new high. So maybe probability to it will go up this area again. So because of daily candle also, it has formed in the, you see the bullish, in the huge bullish candle. So now maybe it will come here, this area, and as you can see, this candle, this is the very huge traffic of selling. So at least it should touch this area. So because there is have liquidity, so it will go there and take the liquidity, maybe then it will go down. So if we draw these things, yeah, this is the, see, breakout is there. So this is the trend line breakout area also. So it should go area, and some reason is there. So there is a fair value gap, so we can get this selling opportunity like this area. So already I showed you. So this gap, it will fill up, so then it will go down, maybe it will drop long, but it depends. So today's candle is most important to again. So let's see. So but day trading and who are the investors? So this is the so many different topics is there, different strategy is there. So who are the buyer investors? So maybe he's buying from here, correct? So he's buying from here, and see the huge pressure. So that's why gold is now is trying to go down also, because the dollar is pushing up in a right way. So if dollar is pushing up, so it should, gold also it should go down. So okay, let's the 15 minutes of gold. Then yeah, see, I told you, right? So this is the zone, this one, 18 to here. 18 to this one 4401. So this is the now consolidating zone. Like on so, but if it's drop this candle close below here in 30 minutes time frame, so this area should close, it should go down, so it close like this candle should close below support. So then after that we can get an selling opportunity, because already this area also is the selling. If I draw in this way, no, this is as you can see, we can tell this one, this is the manipulation. So this is the fake breakout. It was the fake breakout of 1 hour time frame. Let's see. So it's a fake breakout. So after breakout, this candle close below this area. So then we should move to the 15 minutes time frame. So then they retested and now it's going down. So as you can see, it's a huge pressure, it's selling. So as I told you, so it is not good time to buying for long term. This is not good time. So like if you follow this Fibonacci as well, so you can see this is the 50%. 4374 is the buying zone, and this is the, if you do practice, I don't know your strategy, so 0.618 is the 58 is the buying zone. So this is the buying zone. Yeah, but we have to wait. I told you, right? So it should break, or either, so we have to wait. This candle should close above here. It candle should close above here. You can see the manipulation. Once this close this candle below here. So many manipulation, so many critical zone. This is the area. So who are selling this side from this area after breakout? So he is then good right track. He is on the right track, right this time. You can see, as you can see. So that's why I am trying to show this is the US dollar index. So that's why I tried to show you this dollar index. So actually, everything is correlated. So we have to like become a very uh, careful to protect our capital. We have to become very careful. We have to be take some education from different side, fundamental. Then we have to check this technical part also, geopolitical things also. So then we can get the opportunity to buy or sell. Then we can enter on that trade. Otherwise, like every time we'll lose money and wash out the account so many times, we'll be frustrated, correct? So whenever fear is increasing, so capital flows back into the dollar. So that's why I tried to show you the dollar index. So the market is trying to answer the big question. So this is the another thing. So what is the big question? Because the interest rate is gonna stay high for longer, correct? So interest rate is going down, it is increasing the interest rate. So what gonna happen? So gold will fall, everything will be fall, and so DXY will be increased. So, and if the answer is yes, so then the dollar will be the more stronger. If the interest rate is decreasing or pausing, so again, so then dollar is going to become a weaker. So there is have opportunity to buying gold, or it should go up, right? Okay, so when the dollar is strong, oh, so already I talk about these things. So if you trading forex, so you wanna respect dollar, so very much. If you do trade gold also, because they correlated with dollar, and if you do trade euro, so this is the different part, correct? So that is the why. So don't fight it emotionally, trade with the flow. So this is every time I am telling you, every time I am requesting, every time suggesting. So many people join the guys. Please do the tap. And if you have any question, what you want to learn or you want to see, so then we can discuss about seeing. You see, this is the dollar index. So you can see here. So let's go again. The gold, yeah, I see. So this is 95. So it morning support area is respected again. The morning support area, this area, right? So now it's again 100 pips went up. Let's see what I told you, right? If this candle close 15 minutes candle should close here below, uh, then again it's going up. So it's very critical. So that's why we have to trade with very cautiously. Today we'll discuss so many things. We have so many news, so many market update, hot topics, because today is the beginning day of the week, and stock market volatility, guys, is the most important part. So in our L Bank exchange, already 40 stocks, 40 international stocks you can trade on spot trading in our L Bank, also future also. So future trade also you can do in L Bank. So that's why I'm talking about some stocks. So based on your trading plan, investment plan, so you have to do this thing. So if you want to join our free session, I am very much interested to invite you. So next Friday, who are in Dubai, so we have the free session 4:30 p.m. So you can text me, so I can send you the location, I can book your seat. So we have free session, you can join our free session. It's a fully free, so it will be 2 hours, 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And next Friday also we have the NFP, is a high impact news also. So I don't know who are beginner or interested, who are watching from Dubai. So no one is commenting, guys. So please do comment. Otherwise, how can I understand what is your needs? What is your just you are seeing? I'm talking something. I'm showing the charts. It's not like that. I know so many people they are doing trade. I know is a they are putting high because they don't want to share to someone because he's losing money. So guys, for learning, there is no shaming, because no one is perfect in this world for financial market, correct? So we have to learn every day, so we have to update, we have to update about the market inside. So don't feel like shame or something like that. So if you have questions, if you want to then join our, you can see. So this is the this same liquidity taken, same liquidity you see here, the morning. So retested that area. So now possibility to go up. So if break, yeah, if we see the bullish candle again, so as you can see, so maybe a probability to go up. Now we get one confirmation of 30 minutes time frame to buying 95, and again same morning stop loss 90 or 88, 4388. So almost 111 and 15, 160 pips. So 160 pips means like if you have $1,000 account, so you can open like 0.03 lot. So that means almost $50. So $50 within not even 30 minutes, you can make it in 15 minutes. So you can make $50 within 15 minutes, right? If you have $10,000 account, so if you open 0.5 lot, so you can make it $800 with proper risk management. $800, correct? So you don't need to trade whole day. You don't need to trade whole day. You need proper setup. You need proper information. You need proper zone. You have to find the zone. Then you can trade. Then your winning probability will be 95%, 98%. Okay. So, and I want to show you the one thing. You see, this is the our this is our L Bank platform. So last Friday I bought this Ethereum in front of you guys. So in front of you last Friday I bought. Still I am holding. I want to show you. Yeah, see. Still I am holding. It went up so much, then again it's going down. You can see here. See, $400 profit. You can see $400 profit in system. See this $400 profit. So from Friday I am holding this one. So when I bought this area 3050, it was buying area. Okay, in front of you that time I bought. So still I am holding. So $400 profit. And how I bought, I showed you that day. You see here. You see. So now this is the selling area, because uh, so one sale we got opportunity, it's okay, but it was in more profit, but still I am holding, right? So okay, the reason behind that why I am not deducting, because this is the supply zone. Yeah, this is the supply zone, but why I am holding again? The reason behind that, okay, you see this is the 10 line support, right? So this is the 10 line. Oh shit. So this one is the 10 line support. So this is 10 line. Yeah, see, this is the 10 line resistance, because this is the manipulation. So I am not counting this one. This is the manipulation. But our uptrend, what is our uptrend formula? Just simple basic price action. The simple price action I have applied. So simple price action means, so you see the rejection is here. It was the support area. So it's make a higher high, new higher high. So once here, so it is going to break out with this candle daily time frame. So then I bought here. So because it will make a new higher high. So yes, it will come down again. So again, maybe it will come this area, but I am holding. So it should go up again, this area again. So like that. So it should break out here. So breakout, so before breakout, normally it is, this is called the pullback. So maybe we can get again buying opportunity. So that is the reason still I am holding. If you see the daily candle, so then you can able to understand the, yeah, see this daily candle. So this daily candle is showing say bullish confirmation. So then two days is yesterday, last 2 days was, it was in very tight consolidation area because of Friday and sorry, Saturday and Sunday market is basically closed. So now this is the support, so it has made a support. So I am my expectation, so already it taken the liquidity is here. So yes, so taken the liquidity. So now this is the pullback. So after that it should go up this area. So it will this liquidity finish. So it should go up to take this liquidity. What happened? Yeah. Okay. Here. So leave this one. This one. You can see. Yeah. So this is the probability, but it will take time. So this area. Okay, like that. So because this is the liquidity area, so this candle should close today above this area, but okay, no problem. Still it's holding. So I can do this DCA if you know the dollar cost average. So I can, if it's go down again, I can buy. So this is the long term trade. This is not for day trading. If this is the day trading, so obviously I close that trade. So I am holding this trade for the long term, maybe for next week or this week, because this week have also the NFP in Friday. So let's see. I want to see the 1-2 days more. So after that, we can take decision. So I can check the tomorrow candle, and tomorrow market is moving. There is have any reversal pattern, or I want to check. So then I will take the decision, say, okay, I should close or I should hold that trade. This is Ethereum, guys. This is Ethereum USDT. This is future also. See, still is $400 profit. It is showing $400. Let's see. So, okay, now we want to talk about another topics. So stocks already I told you, right? So we have stocks option, future stock is over there. So stock future is there. So more than 40 stock future you can trade in L Bank exchange. So if you want to open account in L Bank, or if you want to join our Telegram community, so please go to the TikTok bio, and we have link in the bio, and you can click on the link. So I don't know how many people join today or no. I don't have any idea. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, guys, no one join, guys. I'm doing live trading here. Still, you are not interested to join our Telegram community. Amazing. I'm thinking you are not trader. Maybe just you are watching. Maybe you are okay. What he's talking about, that some things, right? Maybe you guys are not trader, real trader. So now, okay, guys, just wait 2 3 minutes. I'm coming back. In the time, if you have any question, please put your comment. Guys, you can see right now, see these two candle here and they are same. So now this is the good buying opportunity. So as you can see here, but problem is that, so yeah, scalping, scalp, guys. Let's do trading here. Perpetual crypto future. S4, yeah, S4, 15 minutes. Okay, see this 15 minutes now. This is the 15 minutes trend. So 15 minutes uptrend channel. So now this one is the support here. Let's make a support. There is another support. Correct. So if we buy here, there is no good confirmation. 30 minutes, no, it's going down. 30 minutes also is going down. It's a little bit risky. So right now, we cannot do anything. We can do something later. This one. If break out this one of 30 minutes candle, and this is the double top. So after that, we can get selling opportunity. But right now, no buy and no sell. No buy, no sell. So now we'll talk about Bitcoin and crypto market. We will do analysis, some meme coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum already we have discussed, XRP. So as you can see, gold is going up in 5 minutes time frame. So from here, 12, 30, 40 pips. So Bitcoins wanna also act like a gold and safe haven asset, correct? So this is the digital gold, but sometimes it is like a risk asset because of fear, because of lack of knowledge of crypto, because of lack of knowledge of